That's working the video, and here is it. So before you can withdraw your docs from your account to your bank account or Momo account, first you need to have a Bybit account or a Binance account. Just in case you want to know how you can create one, not just any one, but a verified one, a correct one that you not have any problem with your account, you can check in the comment section or description of the video, and then you can know how you can do that. Also, just in case yours is not protected, your account has to be very secured so that no one can take any amount from your account. You can check in the comment section or the description of the video and know how you can secure it as well. So with this, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your docs. Your docs going from the trading session to your account, so that you can withdraw from your Bybit account or Binance account to your Momo account. So everything will be here in this video. So if you're new, just like the video and let's start, and I'll show you how this is done. And just in case you face any issue, just drop it in the comment section and then I'll help you out with it. Let's start with it. Let's go.
So open your Bybit or your Binance app and log into your account. So this is how you're going to do it. You look down here, we have the market, derivative, and then we have the spot, and then also assets right here. Tap on the spot. Okay, so in tap on the spot, make sure you are at trade at the top right. So at the top you have the convert, trade margin, pre-market, and then you have the spot S, and then also the bot. Make sure you are at trade. Okay, then you tap on that one. So when you are there, you could see down here we have the chart, and then we have the trade. Then you tap on trade right here. So when you tap on trade, then you have this place whereby you can select your currency. So you will tap right here where we have the lines right here. Tap on it. Okay, so you tap on it, then you look for the docs USDT. There's one. Okay, so the docs USDT, then you tap on it. So when you tap on it, then you go to the sell. Okay, so we have the buy at where you selected your docs and the USDT. Look down, we have the buy and sell. Then you will tap on the sell. So you tap on the sell, then you will change the limit. Okay, you tap on it from limit to market. Okay, then your quantity of docs that you want to sell, you enter it right here. So either you go by 30%, 50%. So as you just move it, the percentage increases. Then for me, I am going for 100%. That is 3188 docs. Okay, and then you look down, we have the sell docs. Okay, then you tap on sell docs. So when you tap on it, it will give you this pop-up, and look down, we have sell docs, and then you tap on the sell docs. Okay, so you could see all others failed successfully. Okay, so down here you go to the asset. So look down here, and then you tap on the asset. So when you tap on the asset, then you scroll down a little, and then you could see we have the funding, and then we have the unified. Your money is now at the unified trading, and let me show you how you can withdraw from your account to your Momo or your bank account. So to withdraw from your account, check in the comment section or the description of the video. The link is there. Just tap on it and know how you can do it, or check on the screen and tap on it to watch.